Hi Chris, so this is your approximate setup. These are 38cm intervals, and the best way of creating this span is you can start with a 400 by 900, and that will get you here, and that will, bear with me, that overhang there is going to be about 133 millimeters. Now you could use the 900 to bridge between there and there with your 130 overhang here, but then to fill this gap here or this gap here, it doesn't matter which way round you do it, you can add a 400 by 45, which I'm just trying to grab hold of, so that can, if you trim this off, so you're cutting through here, 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 here and here with your standard hacksaw, and then your 45, I'm trying to get hold of that, there we go, that will then go there, bridging the gap there, and that creates, well, that's a much smaller overhang. It is in fact at 47 millimeters, and that's how you're creating your non-standard bays, by just cutting a shelf off. Let me just check. I don't think a 1200 shelf is going to be long enough. Oh, it is. Start the whole video again.